So with this brief introduction, let us move on to make a formal start of learning classical Arabic, and that is going to be with the alphabet, like any other language. So I have written these here. If I ask you how many alphabets do we have in English, you will quickly say 26, because we all know that. If I ask you, those who speak Urdu, that how many alphabets do we have in Urdu, and we'll have to think a little bit, and then someone will say, okay, 37. As somebody once said 50, but clearly they're not 50. In Persian, we have 35. In Arabic, we have 28 or 29. Now, you will say that earlier I made a statement that Arabic is a very easy language to learn. And here we don't even know whether the number of alphabets is 28 or 29. So how is that going to work? That really is not a big issue. That is the difference between two schools of Arabic grammar, Basra and Kufa. And the difference is very small, and I'm going to highlight that difference in a minute. Let us first move on to, these are all considered to be consonants. And with consonants, we also need vowels to make words. In English, we have A, E, I, O, U, etc. And in Arabic, we have these in the form of certain markers. And you can wipe that off. And those markers are, they're called Dhamma, Kasra, and Fatha. Dhamma, which basically means to bring together. When we say Dhamma, so we bring our lips together. So you see how logical it is. Dhamma. And Kasra means to break, as in breaking a glass, a plate, etc. So Kasra, when we say Kasra, it appears as if we're going to break a smile. And Fataha, 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 to mean open. So when we say Fataha, we open our lips. Just like Surah Fatiha, which is the opener of Quran. Well, Fatihun is opener and Fatihatun is female opener. So Surah Fatiha is the opener of Quran. So these are three vowels, and there is another marker which is called sukoon. It is used to make a word silent. So these are called harakat, and this is called sukoon. If we double these, then they're called tanween, tanween dhamma, tanween kasra, and tanween fatha. It's called tanween. In English, we can translate nation. That gives the sound of N at the end of an Arabic word.